Today, we're presenting TEC Ultimate 6 Plus Mortar, a high-performance polymer-modified mortar that offers superior handling and coverage. The one-and-done mortar that can be used for 98% of your jobs, including gauged porcelain tile panels and slabs, large heavy tiles, thin set applications, over and under uncoupling membranes, extruded foam waterproof boards, and indoor glass tile installations with intermittent water exposure. Ultimate 6 Plus Mortar offers unique features that allow for extended open time for maximum adjustability, and it allows for grouting and return to service in as little as 6 hours. Plus, it has exceptional non-sag for wall applications and non-slump characteristics for floor applications. You can have peace of mind knowing you'll have superior handling and full coverage with minimum effort. Please note that proper surface preparation is important when setting all tile, especially large format tiles. For it to be considered a large tile, at least one edge of the tile must be 15 inches or longer. Maximum allowed substrate variation for large format tile is 1/8 of an inch in 10 feet, with no more than 1/16 of an inch variation in 2 feet. For large format tile applications, mix 2/3 of the mortar bag with 6 to 6.5 quarts of clean, cool water until the powder is consumed. Add the rest of the bag and mix for 2 minutes for a smooth, creamy consistency. For thin set applications, mix 2/3 of the mortar bag with 6.5 to 6.75 quarts of clean, cool water. Add the rest of the bag and mix for 2 minutes for a smooth, creamy consistency. Avoid using a high-speed mixer over 300 RPM to prevent air from entering the mixture. Let the mortar slake for 10 minutes, then remix. Do not add water after the mortar slakes. Apply mortar on the substrate using the flat side of the trowel. Then, comb in one direction with the notched side of the trowel. Apply enough mortar to an area that can be tiled while the surface is still tacky. You have about a 30 to 60 minute window for the application. Back buttering of gauged porcelain slabs is required per industry standard to achieve complete coverage. To do this, use the flat side of the trowel to apply a thin layer of mortar to the back of the tile. Then trowel the ridges perpendicular to the longest edge of the tile. Place the gauged porcelain panel slab onto the properly prepared substrate. Walk on the floor to collapse the mortar ridges and to ensure a minimum of 85% coverage according to ANSI standards. As you're setting the tile, occasionally stir the mortar to maintain a smooth, creamy consistency. For tiling a wall, beat the tile using a tamping float or a rubber grout float to ensure proper coverage. Finally, grouting can be done using TEC Power Grout after the tiles have been set, as soon as 6 hours after installation is completed. With TEC Ultimate 6 Plus Mortar, you can achieve full coverage with little effort for 98% of your tile installations. For more information on Ultimate 6 Plus, visit TECSpecialty.com.